Hi guys, did you know that you don't sell a product or a service? You sell a solution to a problem that your customer does or doesn't know that they have. They may not know that they have it, and your wonderful marketing skills will prompt them into finding that out. Or they may know that they have it, which prompts them to look for you in the first place. So how do we establish what our customers' pain points are, what the problems and challenges are? We ask them. It is all part of building the relationship and continuing the relationship. And we don't stop asking them what their pain points are in their business, because knowledge is power. And not in a psycho way. Knowledge is power. But basically, you've got one of these and two of these. It's time to start using them. A lot of companies fall down because they just keep offering out what they think that the customer needs, or and they're just not thinking about the industry as a whole, the surrounding landscape and how it keeps changing, especially during these COVID times. Things keep changing, so you need to keep asking. You do enough talking or chatting with prospective customers, you can gather so much information. It's amazing. You want to ask them as well, why did they choose you? And what prompted them to looking for you in the first place? You can get so much detail about how they got to you in the first place. And then if they say something fabulous about the value they bring, or that you bring to their company, also send them across a little referral template and get that referral back. You might as well, two birds, one stone. Maybe they tell you about a problem that they had and that they solved. Maybe they used some certain software, maybe they use a certain company, maybe they use something else. Also, why not take that information if you're consumed in one industry, and pass that on to somebody else, some of your other clients? Do you know that, and you don't have to give any names, but I've heard, and I was speaking to someone who used this. I wonder if that would help you. Why not? Like, sharing is caring. Building that relationship is more than selling. It really, really is. You need to speak to them. So pass it on to somebody else, get referrals if you can. And when you've got all this information about the problems that you've solved, and the problems that they have, the challenges that they have, because sometimes there'll be a lot of people in the same boat, not everybody all the time, but use that in your marketing material. Use that through your sales channels as well. Like, say for example, I'm going to give you an example of, maybe you're a dentist, and so many of your patients or whatever have said that in this digital age, they just did not feel confident enough to go on videos. They didn't feel confident enough to do online presentations. They didn't do that, but having their teeth done made them just feel like amazing and gave them the confidence. And then so in your marketing material, whether it be email marketing, whether it be social media, whether it be leaflets or flyers, you can identify that 9 out of 10 of our clients said that having their teeth done by us gave them the confidence to do these presentations, to do these, to do that. You see, so you're just using conversation and relationship building with your clients for your own marketing prowess. Have a great day. Any comments? If you've used this in the past, I would love to know if you've been successful with this, and how good are you at building relationships with your clients and knowing what their pain points are. Have a great day.